How to unblock someone on Messenger from iPhone and Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to unblock someone on Messenger from iPhone or Android devices, you need to first make sure that you've installed the latest version of Messenger or Facebook Messenger application on your mobile device. To ensure that, you need to open your Play Store or App Store, then tap on Search. Now simply search for Facebook Messenger application. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update the Messenger to its latest version. Now, go ahead and open your Messenger application. Once you do that, you will be taken to the chat section directly. Now, find the person that you have blocked on Messenger and you want to unblock them. Once you find their profile, tap on the I button in the top right corner of the screen. From here, simply scroll down and there you will see the option of privacy and support, and under the privacy and support, you will see the option of unblock. Tap on that. Tap on unblock again to confirm. So unblocking this specific person won't add them as a Facebook friend. You won't be able to block them again for 48 hours. So keeping that on mind, simply tap on unblock highlighted in blue color and you'll be done. So that's how you can go ahead and unblock this person or unblock anyone, any individual in Messenger application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.